Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to get CoinMaster Unlimited Spins with CoinMaster Mode APK. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General to view more settings. Keep scrolling until you find Background App Refresh, then tap on it. This option allows apps to refresh and update their content even when you're not actively using them. At the top of the screen, tap Background App Refresh once more. From the available options, choose Wi-Fi and cellular data. This gives your apps the ability to stay active and updated using both types of internet connections. Next, return to the main settings menu and tap on battery. Look for lower power mode and make sure the switch is turned off. When this mode is enabled, it limits background activity, which can interfere with the app performance. Once you've adjusted those settings, open up a web browser such as Safari or Chrome. In the address bar, type in tweaked.net and hit go. When the site loads, scroll down the page until you spot CoinMaster. Tap on it, then press the button underneath to begin the process. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.